Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Hygge House. In this episode, we're going to see this small wooden house for nature living, and the floor plan is available. Take a look inside this small wooden house that includes a living room, an open kitchen, a bath, and a room. Also, the cabin building has a terrace. The total area is 54.6 square meters. It is designed for a small family and vacation and suitable for lakeside, plateau, and more. It is a real-world scale project. The tiny house's dimensions are 5.44 meters by 10.04 meters with a terrace. When it comes to green living, a small wooden house is a good way to go. Building green, from the cabin design stage to construction, is the right thing to do, both environmentally and economically. Using wood in your cabin building helps to create a design that is ecologically sound, aesthetically pleasing, and energy efficient. Wood that comes from well-managed forests is a great environmental choice. A cabin building is a healthy, comfortable build that has lower energy consumption overall. A small cabin also reduces the impact that building has on human health. A small wooden house in all of its stages, from the site selection, construction, maintenance, and demolition, is better for the environment overall, especially when compared to other types of home designs. A cabin building is a natural and easy way to make a difference in the environment. Wood is a beautiful material that helps to reduce greenhouse gases and stores carbon. A healthy, sustainable forest is a readily available solution to climate change. An acre of healthy growing trees can help to absorb about 3 tons of the carbon dioxide in the environment and releases approximately 2 tons of oxygen. As the tree ages and the growth of the tree slows down, fewer carbons are absorbed from the atmosphere. When you build a cabin building that uses building materials that come from sustainably managed forests, it is just another step to ensuring an eco-friendly design. Sustainable forest management keeps the balance between 3 main pillars to include ecological, economic, and social-cultural. Sustainably managed forests help to provide integrated benefits to everyone, ranging from the safeguarding of local livelihoods to helping to protect the biodiversity and the ecosystems which are provided by forests. Sustainably managed forests also help to reduce rural poverty and mitigating some of the effects of climate change. There are other benefits to using wood in your tiny house design. Wood, when used as a building material, needs the least amount of energy to manufacture and has the lowest impact on both air and water quality. Wood is a natural building material, so it does not have any of the toxic byproducts that are typically associated with other types of building materials when it is manufactured. Wood is the only major building material that is renewable. It is believed that about 1/3 of the energy used in North America is to help heat, cool, and operate buildings. A cabin building can help to reduce this, as wood is an excellent natural insulator. It also moderates humidity, which reduces the need for air conditioning and ventilation. Thank you for watching this video, and please do drop a like because it would really help our channel grow. Also, subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring different houses every single day, from local homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and to other inspiring home ideas.